Commodities are up for the fourth straight day as Fed notes indicate more easing to come. Eurozone flash PMI signal a recession. Markets continue to take everything in stride. I'm Taylor Schrantz, and the morning call starts right now.
Good morning, I'm Scott Rudler, Chief Strategic Officer of T3Live.com.
And I'm Jill Malandrino with The Street, and together we bring you the Morning Call Express. Well, the tail of the tape, it's still continuing that slow grind to the upside. This week we had gold and silver really driving the tape and another fresh round of global stimulus speculation.
Yeah, it feels like every time we try and pare down positions or take some off, the market just keeps bringing us back in. You know, Tuesday we had that outside day, which was a day to take notice, a day that all of a sudden we tried to push through new highs and we failed. So right there, that should have brought out sellers. So yesterday we did start down, but what happened? Buyers came in, leading stocks started to move. Then at 2 o'clock, like you said, the minutes came out, people think we're going to ease, and all of a sudden market's back where it started.
Well, another key theme of the summer has been have and have-nots as well. And we've seen mega cap tech, which we're going to talk about in the long call version in quick hits with Apple, Google, Amazon. We've seen some leaders in the fertilizer space and also in home building and home building retail. But what's the S&P telling us for today to set up for trade?
So let's take a quick look at the chart. You look at the chart of the S&P right here, you will see this is that outside day I was talking about Tuesday, but look at yesterday, took it in stride. This accelerated uptrend that we've been following the past 2 weeks is still intact. I would say as long as we now stay above 1406-ish, I think the market's going to keep the momentum traders involved. We break below 1406, then you can get a test down here of 1390, 1395, but we have to get through this first. This trend since the June 4th lows has been strong. It's been filled with leaders. It's been filled with great acting situations, and right now this accelerated trend is still too tough for the bears to break.
Moving along to the sector spotlight, we're going to take a look at some of the ag names, and who would have thought in November 2011 when we picked this as our 2012 call, we'd be talking about it as much as we have been. 2012 will go down as one of the worst droughts in U.S. history and will serve as a benchmark for years going forward. Let's take a look at Mosaic, my 2012 overall pick for the year.
All right, well, Mosaic came alive, like you said, in the third quarter, and since it's been consolidating really well. You go to the chart of Mosaic, you can see right here, the longer it stays above this 56, 58, the better the probability of getting through 60 and getting to your 65. The leaders we've been talking about also, CF still acts well. This one made new highs in the last 2 weeks. Monsanto also made new highs. So you have leaders that are making new highs, and you have stocks that have come off the lows that have had a great, catch-up type play.
Moving along to the trenches, we're going to take a look at the home builders and the home builder retail. Stephanie and Kramer getting really bulled up on this. AAP buying some Toll, ticker TOL.
Oh, we've been bulled up on this 6 months ago. I think I did a segment with Kramer about housing is in a recovery and how it's going to lead the markets. And the XHB has been unbelievable. Toll, Lennar, a lot of leaders there. Take a look at this sector as a whole, and it's at the highs, leading the way. Lots of different breakouts, a lot to like here. I actually bought a house this year. I sold my apartment. There is activity in the home building and the housing space.
All right, before we wrap up the Morning Call Express, let's take a look at Apple, everyone's favorite name to trade.
Yes, and it's obviously mine, and it's been giving us a lot of money in the month of August. 2 days ago, you had that little pullback. It scared a lot of the longs out, and then yesterday you had your reversal pattern. You look real quickly at Apple, you will see. Yesterday I tweeted about getting back involved around 650 in change, and it closed at 668. Now at 672. 20-point day-and-a-half trade. Besides the trade we've been talking about ever since about 603, 625. So now at this point, I'd love to see it go a little sideways, but if it starts getting above 675, you're going to see another new all-time high here.
All right, everyone, have a great day trading. Catch Scott at the end of the day as he wraps up the charts for us on Options Profits, Real Money Pro, and T3Live.com.
Hello, everybody. My name is Pete Renzulli, Chief Marketing Officer of T3Live.com. I'm really excited about introducing you to and inviting you to the first T3 Live Active Trader Summit. There's going to be a ton of great content, but the number one reason you want to come is you want to be able to network and associate with other like-minded people who have a burning desire to learn how to be a trader. So I'm going to ask you to make a trade. Trade one Saturday for some of your time to come down and learn strategies, tactics, techniques, and put some faces to the people that you see in the virtual trading floor in T3 Live, and learn to take your trading bigger. Learn how to be a better trader than you are now. Learn the strategies. It's going to be a lot of fun. Go to T3Live.com and register. If you would like to join us at the post-event cocktail reception, you can also upgrade to either premium or VIP. That's up to you, but either way, please take advantage of the general admission, 2 free tickets. Come down and expect to have a great time.
Bye.